Mumbai, one city, two lives.
Enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos.
Mumbai, one city, two lives. Mumbai, the financial capital of India. A city of endless motion. A city of endless dreams. Millions arrive here every year, believing Mumbai will change their fate. But Mumbai does not promise happiness. It only offers opportunity, and even that comes at a cost. The same sun rises over this city, but its warmth does not touch every life equally.
How much longer do we have to
4 a.m. The city appears silent, but deep inside the slums, life has already begun. Narrow lanes, overflowing drains, homes made of tin, plastic, and broken wood. One small room, 8, sometimes 10 people. No privacy, no comfort, no escape. Here, people do not wake up to alarms. They wake up to hunger, to worry, to fear of another empty day. Women stand in long lines for water. One bucket, sometimes 2. Children wait half asleep, holding containers bigger than their own bodies. Water decides everything here. Cooking, washing, surviving. A single broken tap can ruin an entire day. A shared toilet. Hundreds depend on it. The smell, the dirt, the humiliation. This is daily life, not an exception. At the same moment, just a few kilometers away, Mumbai's skyline touches the clouds. Luxury apartments rise like symbols of success. Glass, steel, silence. Inside, air conditioners hum softly. Curtains block the outside world. Here, water flows endlessly. Lights never go out. Comfort is taken for granted. Morning arrives differently in these two worlds. In the slum, breakfast is uncertain. Dry bread, leftover rice. Sometimes nothing. In the high-rises, breakfast is a choice, continental, traditional, or skipped entirely.
Are you almost finished there?
Just one more bucket, then it's your turn. The flow is very slow today.
A slum child steps outside, bare feet on burning concrete, dust on his face, eyes older than his age. He is 10 years old, but childhood has already left him. School exists somewhere in his past, or perhaps never existed at all. Today, he will help his parents, carry bricks, clean dishes, collect waste. Dreams are postponed again and again. In another part of the city, a child of the same age puts on a clean uniform. A private school bus waits downstairs. Air-conditioned classrooms, smart boards, big dreams. Doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs. 2 children, 1 city, 2 completely different futures. Midday. The sun becomes merciless. In construction sites, workers climb scaffolding without safety. One mistake, one fall, and life can end instantly. No insurance, no compensation, just another body replaced the next day. Rickshaw pullers wipe sweat from their faces. Waste collectors dig through garbage with bare hands. Dignity is a luxury they cannot afford. Meanwhile, inside corporate offices, meetings discuss profits and growth. Glass walls reflect success. Coffee machines never rest. Stress exists here too, but it is a different kind. Here, stress is mental. There, stress is survival. Evening approaches. Trains overflow with workers returning home. Bodies pressed together, faces drained of energy. For many, home is not a place of rest. It is just another struggle. Night falls, and Mumbai reveals its harshest truth. Families spread thin blankets on footpaths. Children curl beside parents. The sky becomes their ceiling. Mosquitoes bite. Noise never stops. Fear never leaves. Rain brings sickness. Cold brings pain. Hospitals remain far away. A mother watches her child cough through the night, praying for a miracle she cannot afford. Above them, high-rise buildings glow. Music plays. Laughter echoes. Parties continue. From above, the city looks beautiful. From below, it feels unforgiving. Mumbai never slows down. It does not wait for the weak. It does not look back. Some climb higher every day. Others are crushed silently. And yet, hope refuses to die. In the slums, people still believe tomorrow might be better. They wake up again.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps us create even better content.